Welcome to this guide on achieving U.S. citizenship. Becoming a U.S. citizen is a significant milestone, and this guide will provide insights to help you understand the process and address common concerns. In this video, we will cover several key topics about U.S. citizenship: eligibility basics, employment and education considerations, key requirements, the application process, additional considerations, and a conclusion with some helpful tips. Let's dive into the basics of eligibility for U.S. citizenship. The primary requirement is holding a green card, also known as a permanent resident card, for a specified period. Typically, this period is 5 years. However, if you are married to a U.S. citizen, it is often 3 years. Additionally, you must meet continuous residence requirements, meaning you have not been absent from the U.S. for extended periods. Another requirement assessed is the ability to read, write, and speak English, along with a basic understanding of U.S. civics. Contrary to some beliefs, your employment status or educational background doesn't directly impact your citizenship application. Whether you are working part-time, being a student, or taking a gap year, these factors do not affect your eligibility. The focus is on your lawful permanent residency status and adherence to U.S. laws. To be eligible for U.S. citizenship, you must demonstrate good moral character, which includes paying taxes and not having a criminal record. Adhering to U.S. laws and demonstrating a commitment to the country are essential parts of this requirement. The first step in the application process is to file Form N-400, which is the application for naturalization, with the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS. There is an application fee required for filing. Processing times can vary depending on the USCIS office's workload and the individual case. Therefore, it is advisable to start the process promptly. There are some additional considerations to keep in mind. Long absences from the U.S. can affect your application, so it is important to monitor your travel history. If your parents became U.S. citizens before you turned 18, you may already be a citizen. Also, make sure you've paid all your taxes. It's quiz time. How many years must you typically hold a green card before applying for citizenship? Is it 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years? You may pause the video now to think about the answer, and then we will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is 5 years. In general, you need to hold a green card for 5 years before applying for citizenship. However, if you're married to a U.S. citizen, it can reduce to 3 years. Applying for U.S. citizenship can seem complex, but understanding the core requirements, the application process, and common misconceptions can make the process easier. Focus on meeting the residency, English proficiency, civics knowledge, and good moral character criteria to increase your chances of a successful application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.